Hey guys, welcome to OBK Lifestyle Tips. Today we are going to see some life hacks, so stay tuned to OBK Lifestyle Tips. 1. Our first life hack is keep your airplane mode on. If your phone battery running low, put your phone on airplane mode, and it'll charge much faster. 2. Our second life hack is if you're stressed, try running. Outside of meditation, it's one of the best ways to clear your mind. 3. Our third life hack is cure a headache. Take a lime, cut it in half and rub it on your forehead. The throbbing should go away. 4. Our fourth life hack is ever wanted to stop a sneeze you feel coming? Press your tongue against the roof of your mouth, and it's gone. 5. Our fifth life hack is if the taxi driver asks if you're from around here, lie and say yes. Sometimes they drive farther, driving up the price for tourists. 6. Our sixth life hack is if you have a tough decision, flip a coin, not to decide for you, but you'll realize what you really want when it's in the air. 7. Our seventh life hack is shampoo anti-ruse. Adding vodka to your shampoo can strengthen your hair, prevent dry scalp and stop dandruff. 8. Our eighth life hack is want to get stuff done without people interrupting you. Just wear headphones even if you're not listening to music. 9. Our ninth life hack is buy a world map shower curtain. You'll become a geography expert from all the time you spend in the bathroom. We hope you enjoyed and learned today's life hacks. Share it with your friends and do let me know about your thoughts, opinions, feedbacks or suggestions in comments. Thanks for watching our video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share the video if you like it. Folded hands.